Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're doing our daily floor cleaning here. What we're doing is we're doing a varnishing, so we're buffing the floor, taking out some of the dirt, and bringing it back to a shine. As you can see, this floor is a little dull. I did this section back here. Got to talk to the customer. The cleaner that's supposed to be coming, the lady that works here, she skipped mopping tonight. So that's a little bit of an issue, but we're going to work past that tonight. I wanted to show you how shiny this is. If you can see, I've done this area right here. See how it's shining? Over here, it's not shiny at all. All right. These are the same tiles here. This is the area I've done already. This area I didn't do. So you can just see the difference in the shine. What this is doing is bringing back the floor shine, the finish that I applied on here at the beginning of the month. And this is a monthly cleaning that we do for the maintenance plan to prolong the life of the floors. You know, if you want these floors to last and look good the entire time, you need to be doing this at least once a week. All right, and this makes the floors last 4 to 5 years and looking good. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. I wanted to show you how far we're moving along. We got this floor done here. We're doing a high-speed buff. You can see the color or the difference in the shine here. This side has been buff. This side has not. Over here, you see how it's dull. Over here, it's shining, okay? You can see the reflection really well, really dull there. So we haven't cleaned this yet, but I wanted to show you, this is part of our maintenance plan, but we normally don't do this. The cleaners are supposed to do this, the people who work here before, but this dust, there's dust on the floor right here. What that would do when we come, we ask you to dust before and sweep and mop before we come, because once we use the buffer, that dirt and dust will act as like sandpaper and will destroy the finish of the floor with the buffer that we are using. This is not just us, this is with any process or anyone that does this type of flooring. You have to sweep and mop before we come. This is not included into the maintenance plan, but you know, we do get this done because we do understand things do happen, but we want to give you those results that you can see, and this is just part of the process. Like I did say, if we would have continued to buff, it would have just sandpapered the finish right off of this floor, and it wouldn't last, you know, those 4 to 5 years that we have. All right, let's check out all that dust there. That would have been all on the floor. Not good. In this picture here, I wanted to show you just how dull the floor is. Look at the reflection of the lights here compared to the next picture coming up. Now check out the floor coloring on here, the reflection. Look at the lights here. They're really reflecting off now. We hit it with the varnisher and brought it back to the shine. And this makes the floors last 4 to 5 years and maintaining the floors. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're in the Harrisburg area and we just finished our daily maintenance here. We do this every Friday evening. And you can see these floors as compared to before look phenomenal. The shine is back to them. They were dull. Please ignore the dirt here. The cleaner, the person who was employed here did not mop the floors tonight, which is a problem, but we're going to work past that tonight. We're able to get the floors done. We had the dust mop as well. So to get all the dust up, but look at that. Wow, it is really shining. And that's what that varnisher does. It brings back the life of the floors and prolongs it. What it does is it rubs against the finish and brings that shine back. Just rejuvenates the floor. So it looks great. Like I said before, it was dull. You can see in the pictures before here, you know, this floor turned out amazing. And we do this daily maintenance, and this is the first month is included in the wax and strip that we do. So if you do get a wax and strip done, you do get this daily maintenance for 1 month, which is 3 cleanings. So we go ahead and make sure we take care of you.